Tell me you work in the Rust Belt without actually telling me you work in the Rust Belt. This guy was a little stuck, so he tried to pound it off. And then this broke.
Hey, Bobby, can I borrow your car trailer? Yeah, not a problem. What are you gonna pull it with?
We got a 1 to a 2 to a 2-inch ball. This thing will pull that car trailer.
On this episode of Customer States, I got an 03 GMC Envoy with the straight 6 in it, right? Got a misfire. Check engine lights on. That right there is going to be the coil hole. And that's all oil on top of the spark plug. Sir, I think I found your misfire.